Hi everybody, it's Adriano here from BRZ Food, and today we're going to talk about Mexican beef chicks. Beef chicks is perfect for tacos, and I'm going to show my way how I cook at home. First thing you need is a good quality beef chicks. Start off by trimming the silver skin. Next you need to apply a good coat of Mexicana. Make sure you get all the edges. After you apply the rub, leave for 10 minutes and then place in the smoker at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, we take the beef chicks out and put in a tray. Next, we're gonna add half bottle of red wine. Cover with foil, back to the smoker for another 3 hours. While the beef chicks cooking, we're gonna make a quick pico de gallo salsa to go on the tacos. Finely dice 1 brown onion, dice 4 tomatoes, dice 1 small jalapeno. If you like the heat, leave the seeds. 1 cooked corn, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander, and juice of 2 limes, salt to taste. So the beef chicks been on the barbecue for 3 hours. Now we're gonna take it out. So now let's check it out how tender our beef chicks are. Now let's start the tacos. First you need is a good soft tortilla. Dip into the red wine sauce. Place some beef chicks on top and add our pico de gallo. Now for the taste test.